Where are the girlies? I see one. Where's number 2? Is she up there? Pancake. There she is. Are you coming out? So, with the girls moved up, Langley gets her hammock back, and as you can see, she is very content with that. They're a little shy with the new setup. They are, well, Langley's not, but Pancake a little shyer. We are changing up her scenery and the smell, so it makes sense that it takes her a day or so to adjust to the new space, but Langley settled right in. Hey, Pancake. Pancake. Hi. I love how she always stretches. It looks like a wave. Are you coming? Do you want to try the hammock with your sister? Langley's like, I will take all the attention, please. We will leave Pancake for her nap time, huh? Yeah. Kitty mail.